We all want to know where the fountain of youth is, but sadly, until someone finds it, no one is immune to aging. Luckily, if you're like me who likes skin tightening without having surgery or needles, there's an option for us, and it's called a radio frequency treatment. Hey dolls, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cherise, and on this channel, I do skincare and beauty reviews, so you have a general idea on how products, devices, and services perform before purchasing them. And as I've mentioned before, radio frequency is the most effective option on the market for smoothing your wrinkles, boosting collagen, and is the most effective on delicate parts of our skin, like on our forehead and on our under eyes. And this is without going through any surgery or needles, which means this also requires no downtime while providing long-lasting results. There's a lot of at-home radio frequency device on the market, but I decided to feature this AMIRO R3 Turbo Facial because this one has 4.8 out of 5-star rating on their site. And this device has also been recommended by dermatologists like Dr. Dylan Greene, and AMIRO has also been featured on several publications like Harper Bazaar, Marie Claire, Elle, and Vogue. So what's radio frequency and how does this AMIRO R3 Turbo work? So the AMIRO R3 Turbo radio frequency device uses safe levels of low frequency electromagnetic waves to generate heat. So this heat penetrates deep into your skin's layers, and there it stimulates new skin cell production, which is also called skin cell regeneration, and the treatment also stimulates the production of collagen and elastin. So these two proteins, the collagen and elastin, can give your skin cells more strength and flexibility, and as a result, sagging skin regains its firm shape and feel. But this device is not only an RF device. Another unique thing about this device is that it also has EMS, or electro muscle stimulation. So EMS is an ideal treatment for toning the muscle to tighten the skin. So the procedure uses microcurrent to stimulate the muscle to make it stronger, tighter, and leaner. And this will result in the muscle filling up the loose skin to smoothen and firm the skin. Think of it as a workout, but for your skin and for your face. This device also has my favorite red light, which is great for stimulating collagen production, and it also has a yellow light, which is great for addressing various skin issues like redness, inflammation, hyperpigmentation, and wound healing. So basically, it's a 4-in-1 tool with radio frequency, EMS, red and yellow light therapy. So AMIRO has just launched their R3 Turbo limited edition gift set. So when you get your device, it will come with 11 free gifts. So you'll actually have a complete pro level skincare experience right at the comfort of your home. So first, of course, you'll get the limited edition AMIRO R3 RF device, which is a patented flat head. So this means you can glide the device on your face smoothly, and it actually feels like silk when you glide it on your face because the head is very smooth. This design also covers a larger area, and as you can see on this diagram, the heat is distributed evenly, and since it's flat, it's also very easy to clean. It has a red on and off button, which is also the button you use to change modes. So there's 3 modes on this device. You can choose intensive eye care mode, V-line lifting mode, and a full face anti-aging mode. And then there's 2 silver buttons below to change the intensity of the device. So the upper part is to increase the intensity, and the lower part is to decrease the intensity, and it can go up to level 5. You also get 4 pairs of anti-wrinkle collagen lipolyzed eye mask set, which has a freeze-dried collagen and a moisturizing eye mask. You're also getting 2 tubes of a hydrating gel, which is the AMIRO Hydrating Moisturizing Serum Gel. And then you'll also get 4 pieces of the lifting face and neck mask, and this very pretty velvet lilac storage bag where you can store your device. So you actually get 12 free stuffs when you get the device, which is really amazing. So let's start using it, and I'll be starting with a full face anti-aging mode. First, I'm going to do a long press on the power button, and you'll hear it vibrate, and I'll make sure that the full circle is lit up. For the full face anti-aging mode, you will be partnering it with the AMIRO Hydrating Moisturizing Serum Gel. So I'm just going to apply it all over the areas of my face that will be treated. So just make sure to avoid the top area of your eye, like your eyelid, and also your throat. You're just going to do an upward motion and you'll hear it vibrate. That's when you know that it's starting. Oh, I can really feel the power of the EMS. It's like there's a thread pulling on my forehead and there's like a contraction. The first time I used this, I thought there's like a hair that's been bothering me on my forehead, but it's actually the EMS and it's giving that kind of a thread pulling sensation. So I'm on level 1 because the skin on our forehead is thinner and it's closer to our bone. So just keep it moving. And I'm also concentrating on this area because I'm already seeing a line there. So I heard the vibration again, so that means I can move to another part of my face. So I am going to amp up the level to level 2 or maybe level 3. So you can see there's 3 dots that is lit up there. So that means I'm on level 3 because my cheeks are thicker. So it can handle the intensity. Oh, I can really feel it. This is actually my 3rd time using this. The first time I thought that you have to do a circular motion to use this, but you actually have to do an upward motion, which makes sense because every second there's a pulse that you can feel. So with this motion, you can really make sure that every muscle gets that contraction and that tightness. Ooh, I actually love the feeling of it. I'm also concentrating on my smile line because I have been seeing a deeper crease on it. So again, upward motion. Okay, I heard a vibration, so that means that I'm ready to go on the next side. And I'm going to add more of this serum so it glides better. Ooh! See, there's a pulse there. Pulse. Pulse. So it's really good to move this after each pulse to make sure that every part of your face gets treated. I also can feel the warmth of the device, which is very relaxing. Again, I'm also concentrating on the smile line. And as you can see, the head is triangular, so you can really go to the corners of your face. Like this part, it can really glide on and fit that side of my face. Oh, I can really feel it. Can you see my face moving? Because I can really feel it pulsating and tightening my muscles. So I heard another vibration. That means that I can move to the next stage. Now let's move on to my favorite part, which is the intensive eye care mode. This is my favorite part because I get to use this freeze-dried collagen that you can put under your eyes. This can really plump up your under eye. So I'm just going to put it there. And normally this would cost you around $100 for 4 pairs, but this is already included in the kit. And then you'll magically see this dissolve, which is awesome. It's like magic. And then you'll see that your under eyes will be a lot more plump, and then you'll see less creases. And they also have this patented eye mask that has this netting side and a smooth side, which I really love because the netting side really grabs onto my skin so it doesn't move around when I place this on, so you can see. They are very, very generous with their mask. Like, there's still a lot of essence in there. So what I usually do is put it on my arm, I put it on my neck, and as you can see, the freeze-dried collagen just dissolve and it will just magically make my eyes very plump. So I just turned on the device and I made sure that the top circle is now lit up. You can also see that the light is now yellow. And let's start here. So I heard a vibration. That means we're ready to start. The first pulse always gets me. It always surprises me. So we're going to do level 1 because this area is actually sensitive. I'm going closer so you can see how powerful this device is. Can you see that? I am not voluntarily moving my eyelid, but because of the power of this device, because of the EMS, you can really see that it's moving my muscle and tightening it. You can also close your eyes to make it more relaxing. Okay, I heard a vibration. That means we're ready to move to the other side. I love this mode because with my cheeks and my forehead, I can really feel look at my eye moving so much. I can really feel the contraction, but I can't see anything moving. I just feel like there is something moving. I can really feel that the muscle is contracting, but I can't see anything moving. But with this eye mode, you can really see that my eyelids were moving with each of that contraction, which is very cool. Okay, I heard another vibration. That means we're ready to move on to the next part of our face. I am just going to let this eye mask be on my eye while I do my chin area because this has a lot of good ingredients on them. So I want to make sure that my eyes would still be absorbing those goodness while I treat the other parts of my face. So the next mode is the V-line lifting mode, and you can pair it with this AMIRO Timeless Firming Lifting Face and Neck Mask. This is also really nice because this goes on under your chin and then you just wrap this around your ear like that. And at this point, I'm actually going to remove my earrings. So with this part, I'm going to go with level 3. But if it's your first time, start with level 1 and then slowly increase your level. And then I did a short press to make sure that I'm on the V-line lifting mode. So as you can see, the lower part of the circle is lit up. Usually start under my chin because the first pulse always shocks me. Again, I concentrated on this part under my chin because I'm already seeing a little sagging there. Okay, and make sure that you move upwards and make sure that you feel every pulse on each area. I have to admit, this part is the hardest part to tone, the under your chin part. So I love that this device can really target and tone this part. So I heard a vibration, so it's now time to move on to the next side. So I heard the vibration. That means that we are done with the session. So I'm just gonna leave the eye mask and the chin mask for 10 minutes just to make sure that my skin is still absorbing all the good ingredients that are in this mask, and I'll be back. So after the treatment, you can wash your face with water, let it dry, and then you can apply your skincare as you would normally do. And you can use this device 2 to 3 times per week. So let's talk about my experience on this device. So as you can see, this is my result after the treatment. There's no irritation, there's no redness, and I really felt the toning on my skin. You know when you work out at the gym and you really feel the tightness on the area you work out on? I really felt my face muscles were very tight after the treatment. So now let's look at my before and after. I noticed that my smile line is less deep. You can see under my chin, it's definitely more lifted up. Also, my jawline looks more prominent. And look under my eyes. It looks less sunken. And look at the discoloration on the inner corner of my eye, especially on my left side. It looks less blue and brighter. So there you have it, dolls. The AMIRO R3 Turbo RF device. It's definitely a powerful device to support your skin's health and appearance. I also appreciate that the device and the skincare included with this device are so well thought of. That really made me think highly of the brand. For instance, I prioritize safety and using at-home device, especially when you're using it on your face. And this heat-based device is brilliant because it actually has a safety feature. It has an advanced temperature control system that maintains an optimal temperature of no higher than 42 degrees Celsius and monitoring 200 times per second. So it keeps it on a safe level of heat underneath the skin to stimulate collagen without creating burn on the surface of the skin, which makes this device safe and effective for all skin types. And here's another genius thing. They really made the device less confusing to use. See, I'm very visual, so when you see the upper circle lit up, you'll think up, which reminds you this mode is for your eyes. When the lower circle is lit up, you'll think down, which means it's for your chin and your V-line. When the full circle is lit up, it'll remind you that it's for your full face. And if you're like me that can easily get overwhelmed with at-home device, features just like this makes us very confident on using an at-home device. They also made sure that the skincare included has good ingredients on them, and the small details like the netting for the eye mask so it wouldn't move while you're doing the treatment, the V-line mask that wraps around your chin where most face masks wouldn't even reach to that area. These small details makes me feel as a consumer very important. I'll make sure to put the link down below on the description box on where you can get this device. But real talk here, this is different from an actual facelift and surgeries where there's cutting and tucking on the face involved. But before you even get there, I always hear this, but it's true, fix it before it's broken. So preventative measures is really key. So my advice is when you see fine lines or sagging, or even before seeing one, start doing radio frequency treatments to make sure that you promote collagen and elastin on your skin and to remedy those issues. And if you have any questions that I didn't get to cover on this video, just comment down below and I'll be happy to answer all of your questions. And also watch out as I continue to use this device for a month, so I'll be updating you on my YouTube shorts. Thank you so much, dolls, again for watching. I'll see you on my next one.